What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derica, for anybody who is new. I'm so excited about this video today. I want to say about 2 videos back, I showed you guys that I purchased a sewing machine from Goodwill. Well, today we have something totally different, something that's going to be a game changer, and I'm so excited. You can see it right here, right behind me, and this is my new Embroider SE 1900 sewing and 1-needle embroidery machines. I'm so excited. We are going to get into the first project, and I think y'all gonna like it. Let me know if you like it, because you know we got to do something with this embroidery machine. I spent the grip, so I got to get that back. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Because I took French in school. I took French for like 10 years. What? Who does that? What other company y'all know gonna send you 3 different manuals?
Yeah. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in. Show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display, yeah. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me.
I bought some extra supplies from So here we have some cutaway stabilizer, some heat and bind light, some scissors, some embroidery scissors, and some thread. And this is what they look like. So pretty. Here is the design on the screen, and I'm going to be, this is called an applique. I am going to be putting fabric on the inside of that, so you'll see that in a second. I'm going to be putting this fabric on the inside of the end, and this is called applique.
I've been trying to make my wallet fold all day. Cashing in my dreams, big payout. Underneath my money tree, big shade out. Now these models wait on me for baby. Tell me why your heart's so cold. Can't say. Can't wait, I ain't got all day now. Time is money, watch my face, don't shortchange me now. I ain't got nothing to say, but just hear me out. Cause it seems that you like this, need you to write this thing you've been feeling all day. Think I got a side piece, told you that's not my thing, just gotta communicate. That's why we got so many problems now. Keep it A-con and you don't let it out. You're talking so strange, well I got one thing. I don't know what to talk about, but you know I like to dance. So baby, can we walk it out? Now walk, wait a minute, walk, let me see it now. Walk, wait a minute, walk. I've been trying to make my wallet fold all day. Cashing in my dreams, big payout. Underneath my money tree, big shade out. Now these models wait on me for baby. Tell me why your heart's so cold. Can't say. Can't wait, I ain't got all day now. Time is money, watch my face, don't shortchange me now. I ain't got nothing to say, but just hear me out. Yeah. Watching movies in the park, taking photos after dark. It's a bunch of small things, but you know we live in large. Tipsy on your love, hit your mailbox with my car. Leave my wallet in the yard, I can come back in the morning. Oh, 50-50, a big hole is empty. I fill it with you. Remember the day, remember the way I felt with you all day, 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 yeah, all day, not an hour, not a minute, not a second, nor a smidgen. Not an hour, not a minute, nor a second, nor a smidgen. Not an hour, not a minute, nor a day goes by.
I was cutting the freaking shirt. Y'all not gonna believe what I just did. I just finished the whole shirt just to cut the stabilizer off the back and cut a hole in the shirt. Y'all, I was so proud of myself. I was like, oh my God, your very first try, nothing went wrong, and bam, right at the end, I cut a freaking hole. My son was gonna be so excited, y'all. I cannot believe I just did that. I cannot believe I just did that. And as I was cutting, I could feel it getting thicker. But I thought it was just because of the double stabilizer. Nope. Cut a freaking hole in the shirt. So I know I have to work on centering a little better. It looks like it's a little over to the right. It could be in the middle, but of course that's because I did not, it's my first time, oh well. But I think it turned out pretty good. It's actually red, it looks orange. But oh my gosh, did all this just to cut a hole in the shirt.